What is that? This is a puppy. What is that? This is a puppy. What are those? Those are hangers. Those are hangers. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is she? She is a teacher. What is that? That is a watch. What is that? That is a watch. Who are they? They are musicians. They are musicians. Who are they? They are students. They are students. What is that? That is a bag. What is that? That is a bag. Who broke this? My daughter broke this. My daughter broke this. Are you mad? No, I am not. Are you mad? No, I am not. Are you lost? Yes, I am lost. Are you lost? Yes, I am lost. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am tired. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry. Are you new here? Yes, I am new here. Yes, I am new here. What are you doing? I am reading a storybook. May I join you? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. What are you doing? I am playing in mud. What are you doing? I am playing in mud. What do you do? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Where is your book? It's in the library. It's in the library. When can you meet? We can meet now, which is mine. Pink is yours. Pink is yours. How was your day? It was good. It was good. Who is he? He is an engineer. He is an engineer. What is this? This is a pen. For more videos, subscribe our channel.